had a visit to the Marie Sklodowska-Curie Museum on Freda Street. The museum is very well maintained and the exhibits are well designed. Our guide Ella then walked us through Old Town and then down towards the Presidential Palace and Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Ella was a great guide and very passionate about Warsaw history and Marie Sklodowska-Curie. One thing to note when planning, the museum was free of charge on Tuesdays, that day of our tour, but our booking through TripAdvisor indicated that we were paying for a ticket to the museum. Discover the living legacy of Maria Sklodowska-Curie, the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes. Learn about her groundbreaking research on radioactivity and her personal life in Poland and France. Optional, private tour of the Marie Curie Museum in Warsaw. Choose one of our excellent tour options tailored to your needs and interests. 2-hour, Marie Curie tour. Hear the true story of Marie Curie and see Warsaw of her time, including the house where she was born, her monument, the Old Market Square, Royal Palace, and more. 3-hour, Marie Curie tour and museum. Hear the true story of Marie Curie, visit the Marie Curie Museum and see Warsaw of her time, including the house where she was born, the Old Market Square, Royal Palace, and more. This exclusive Marie Curie Sklodowska tour offers a deep dive into the life and achievements of one of history's most extraordinary scientists.